Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. This is the 2001 Matchbox Rescue Riders 5-pack tube. I don't have any other examples of these castings, so there's not going to be any additional footage on them. So it's going to be a shorter one than usual. First one is the 2000 Chevy Impala. This was first released in the year 2000 and was used until 2012. It's in 1/66 scale. It does have suspension. This V-shaped light bar is licensed, by the way. It says so on the card on the bottom here. It says V-shaped light bar used with permission from Federal Signal Corporation. So that's cool. Got some police deco on the side, metro alarm, it says Matchbox. It's got a blue interior, very nicely done. Nothing in the front or back, but you know, that's typical for a 5-pack model. Next up is the Mack auxiliary power truck, first released in 1991 and last seen in 2009. 1/84 scale, has suspension, mostly in the back, kind of a leaf spring suspension, very cool. Also says metro alarm on the side. These things, plastic things, pop up. So body is mostly metal except for this black plastic part on top. So pretty heavy casting. Got some doors in the back. Very cool. Next up is the Ford ambulance, a 1996 model, first released in 1997 and used until 2001, so this is one of the last versions. 1/80 scale, very shiny base. This one does not have suspension. It says ambulance on the hood or bonnet, mirrored, so you can see it in your rearview mirror when you're driving in front of it. And it's got a proper separate piece for the light bar on top. That's cool. Love that. Very heavy piece, a lot of metal. Next up is the Chevrolet Breakdown van, first released in 1985, last seen in 2001, so this is its last appearance. Metal body, metal base, no scale on this one, as this is an oldie. They didn't used to put the scale on it, I think, back then. This is retooled from a single hook in the back to this one. And this is the only version that's got newer style wheels for that time, at least. The older ones had older style wheels, all of them. So we get some lights on top, part of the windscreen. The grille and the headlights here are part of the silver metal base, and then this part here and the bed are plastic together with this. This one goes up and down, I just noticed. That's cool. So let's see if we can maybe pull the police car. I don't know if it will work. Yeah, kind of works. Not completely, maybe the other way around. Yeah, it's kind of too narrow for it. See, only one hook will stay. Well, you get the picture. Yeah, these are pretty hard to get out of those blisters. And then the oldest one here, the Snorkel. So this was first released in 1981 and used until 2002. No suspension, plastic base, metal body, blue windscreen, so blue lights on top. I got this this guy in the bucket here. I think this folds down. I remember this one from when I was a kid. So this is a 2001 release, so this was 20 years old at that time. This also turns. It's got the original wheel still on it, like it was released with these wheels, so that's cool. And then you got some seats for the fireman. Oops, this has come off. Click, that's better. So yeah, cool one to have, nice one. So that's it for this video. I thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.